So, welcome everybody. Welcome to lecture number 5, Foundations of Language Technology. Today we're going to talk about lexical resources. My name is Steffen Eger. And if you want to prepare for this week, again, just have a look at the last week's video, what we have been doing, check the solutions of the practice class, and go on reading in the NLTK book. So in the last lecture, to start out with a small recap as usual, we have talked about corpora and their different characteristics, whether they have labels, so whether the individual texts are classified into different categories or labels, whether the corpora are across a historical dimension, for example. We've also seen how to use corpora to do some cool linguistic analysis in the context of this conditional frequency distribution, for example, where we have seen like differences in genres of a text corpora, so different frequency distributions across different genres, or different word length distributions across different languages. We've also seen the bigram model, which we can implement using this conditional frequency distribution, and which allows us to do something, a very cool natural language processing application, namely we can generate text. If you have questions, then this would be the time to ask in the tutorial or ask them on the Moodle. So today we'll continue with NLP data, and we will look at lexical resources.